In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Squarespace with AI. Open your browser and head to Squarespace. On the Templates page, start by choosing the Photography category. Even if your site isn't strictly about photos, this category offers clean, visual layouts that work beautifully for portfolios, services, and small businesses. From here, select the highlighted template preview you like, then proceed through the prompt to continue. When you're ready, click. Next to move forward and choose Build a Website so Squarespace's AI can guide you. You'll see a field where you can type into the highlighted area. Add a brief description of what your site is about. Think of 1 or 2 sentences that capture your purpose and audience. This helps the AI shape relevant pages and sections. Next, pick Professional as your focus. This tells the system you're aiming for a polished, client-facing look. Click. Next to continue. Now, choose a layout option. This first choice sets your homepage structure, hero section, featured work, and supporting content. Click to select the layout you prefer. You'll be prompted again to choose a layout option, often for additional pages or sections. Pick the style that matches your tone, then select the highlighted option to confirm. When the footer section appears, click it to include essential items like contact info and quick links at the bottom of your site. Click Next to confirm, and Next again to accept the suggested structure. If you see highlighted items to review, such as style or content emphasis, click them to lock in your choices. Then, click Next once more to proceed. When prompted to adjust your headings, click Heading to refine your main title or tagline. Keep it short, clear, and benefit-driven so visitors immediately understand what you offer. Click Finish and let Squarespace generate your starter site based on everything you've chosen. When your preview appears, click Edit Site to open the visual editor. This is where you can swap in your own images, adjust text, and tune spacing and colors. A quick tip: replace any placeholder text as soon as possible so your design decisions are based on your real message. Use high-quality, compressed images for faster loading. And keep your color palette limited to 2 or 3 complementary tones for consistency. That's it. Your AI-assisted site framework is in place, and you're inside the editor ready to personalize. Explore each section the AI created, refine copy to match your voice, and preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. With these steps, you've gone from idea to a structured Squarespace website powered by AI in just a few guided clicks.